Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open the fuel tank of your Activa 6G. First, ensure your scooter's ignition is turned to the on position. This is crucial because the fuel lid release mechanism is electronically controlled. Next, locate the dedicated fuel lid switch, usually found near the ignition key slot or on the handlebar console. Once you've found it, simply press it firmly. You should hear a click as the fuel lid pops open, allowing you access for refueling. To open the fuel tank, begin by inserting your key and turning the ignition to the on position. This activates the electronic release system. Then, look for the fuel lid release button. On the Activa 6G, this is typically located on the left side, just below the handlebar or integrated into the ignition console. Press this button and the fuel filler cap, located at the rear of the scooter, will unlatch and pop open, ready for you to refuel. Sometimes the fuel lid might not open immediately. If this happens, ensure your ignition is definitely in the on position. You can also try gently pressing down on the fuel lid itself while simultaneously pressing the release button. This can help dislodge it if it's slightly stuck. Remember, never force the lid open, as this could damage the internal locking mechanism or the lid's hinge, leading to costly repairs. Proper maintenance of your Activa 6G's fuel lid ensures it functions smoothly for a long time. Regularly clean the area around the fuel cap to prevent dirt and debris from interfering with the mechanism. Periodically, apply a small amount of lubricant, like a silicone spray, to the hinge and locking pin to keep them moving freely. And speaking of smart solutions, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to bring convenience and entertainment into any room. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Keeping your Activa's fuel lid in top condition ensures hassle-free refueling every time you ride.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.